Hey, welcome back. Most Wing Chun practitioners think power comes from the arms. This is that is why the punches are weak, the kicks are slow. But here's the truth: if your waist is dead, your Wing Chun is dead. Today, I will show you the real secret of waist power, the missing link that most people never do, the missing link that most people never train. In Wing Chun, power is not muscles. Power is not speed. Power comes from structure, relaxation, and the waist. Your waist is the bridge between your legs and your hands. Without it, your energy is broken. Today, I will show you how to loosen it, strengthen it, and use it. My name is Austin. I've trained Wing Chun for over 50 years. I represented Yip Man Wing Chun since 1978, and I have taught thousands of students around the world. What I'm sharing with you today is old school Wing Chun, not what you see online. Let me show you. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Most people, let me show you why you have no power. Most people punch like this, only arm movement. Tight shoulder, no connection to the ground. See, just punch. This is using the arm. Shoulder is tight, moving the body, left and right. Energy is all over the place. Ready? 3, 4, 5. There's no connection. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The body have no connection, and most importantly, no connection to the ground. So what is the result? Weak, slow, no impact. Let me show you. Stand in the Wing Chun stance. Feet together. Both fists on the side of your chest. Wing Chun stance, what we call the Yi Ji Kim Yong Ma, or the goat stance. Relax the shoulders. Body straight from top to bottom. Do not bend forward or back, or lean to the left or right. Now, I want you to bend your knee and bounce up and down. And I want you to feel the force on your sole of your feet of the ground. Imagine that the force is coming from the ground up to you. It's up to you. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you watch a basketball match, you can see every basketball player always bend your knee. You will see the all basketball player bend the knee before they throw the ball. And it seems to go further and more accurate. But if you do it without bending the knee, using just the arm power, it doesn't go further. You see? So, right? That's where so Wing Chun power comes from the ground. Now, I want you to place both hands up, and I use your Tan Sao and Wu Sao in the center line, and turn your waist, 1, and the arm follow. This is not arm power, this is body power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure both feet firmly on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will help to loosen your waist and strengthen the waist. So one more time, do not use force, do not tense. This builds flow and looseness. Do not use force, do not tense. This builds flow and looseness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Now we will add structure. Root into the ground. Slightly bend your knees. Turn the waist with control. Then punch. So waist, shoulder, arm. Turn the waist with control. Then punch. Waist, shoulder, then arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. So once you get that, apply to punching. When you punch, do not push with the arm. Rotate the waist slightly. The punch becomes faster, heavier, and more connected. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Follow this video and practice this every day for 2 weeks. Your waist power will improve. Follow this video and practice this every day for 2 weeks. Your waist and your punching power will improve. Remember this, no waist, no power. If you fix this one thing, your Wing Chun will completely change. Train slowly, stay relaxed, let the power come from the ground through your waist. That is real Wing Chun. This is Wing Chun wisdom. See you in the next lesson. This is Wing Chun wisdom. See you in the next lesson. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.